Hello, it's John Morod here from yournetbody.com, and today I just wanted to run over briefly how people make the thumbnails for their review videos, where they've got all sorts of exclamation marks on it, where they're either giving it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, or they look surprised. So I find the best way to do that is just let your webcam run as mine's running at the moment, preferably with a green screen or a white screen or just a plain coloured screen behind you, and then just run through it, go through all the actions that you want, lining them up by using your camera and looking on screen. Get everything lined up on screen so that when you edit it shortly it'll come out right. So get your thumbs level, get them into shot, and then just go through, look straight at the camera and just go, make all your expressions like yeah or no. Just run through and make all of them, and then stop the video and then play it back. And as you play it back, you pause it at the point that you want to save as an individual picture and just do a screen capture of that picture. I use something called Snagit, which I just take a shot of that, and then you upload it to remove.bg. And it removes, I'll put a link to it underneath the video. It's called remove.bg, and you upload that picture you've taken with the green screen or whatever behind you, and it instantly removes the picture and makes it into a PNG file which doesn't have any background at all. Right, here we are. If you go to remove.bg and then you click on upload image, it takes you into your computer. You just find the image that you want to remove the background from. So I've got one here. Let's take that one there, open, and it uploads it. It instantly removes the background, and then you just click on download. Now this download at the top is usually a free download. If you want a high resolution one, then you usually have to pay for them. But I just take the normal download here, click on download, and as you can see it's downloaded at the bottom of the screen here. So I just would normally click on it and show in Finder, and then you can bring that into your thumbnail, whether you're using something like Canva. Bring the picture of yourself into the thumbnail, either pointing or doing all sorts of things that people do. And then you can add the words around it. You can even add a picture of the product that you're reviewing, and that's how you make your thumbnails, which apparently increases the rate that your video gets clicked on many times over. So it's worth taking the time to make a thumbnail. Hope you find that useful. Bye for now.